Hey, Ronnie, real quick while we're waiting for people to come in, I saw
Yeah.
your submissions for the 2 video reviews, but there were no answers submitted.
I resubmitted it. It should have worked. Um, I don't know.
Yeah, I can check again here in a second, but I just wanted to know I sent you a note through there, and it said no answers, and then I saw you resubmit, but um, oh, there's 2. Okay. For some reason, you're in there twice. I didn't see that. All right. Well, that's why I asked. So I figured
Okay.
you were submitting something. You must have typed something, and I kept going. So there's a Ronnie H or a Ronald H, and then there's one with your full name.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
probably
No, that's okay. That's
all
why
right.
I asked. So I figured something I wasn't seeing. So I just want to make sure you get credit for what you're doing. So
Okay. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Okay, so I don't see Hope yet, right? Angel. Angel C, not yet. Alexa Gomez. Michael L. And then Hannah Wiseman, yeah? No? There's Alexa. There's Michael. Okay, so no Hope, no Angel C, and no Hannah yet, right? Okay. So let's get to, I don't want to waste too much of your time. So a couple of things for you. Yesterday we went over the review test for Stalin and Mao, basically. And those of you who have gone through that, you see it was the same questions that we had in the review that we did, as well as the same questions that you'll see on your unit test. So if you have not done this yet, I would strongly recommend that you play this review game 1 or 2 times, going through, take any notes that you want, specifically on those 11 questions that we went over afterwards, sort of to catch you up on that. But make sure that you go through this a couple of times because it'll be very beneficial. And if you go through it once or twice, even once, if you just take notes on it, I think you'll be able to earn an A easily on this test. So one of the things, as I said in the second semester, the units, we only have, I think we have 1 less unit in the spring than we do in the fall. Generally, they're a little bit shorter, but they cover maybe a bigger time period and should allow for you to be able to see a better chance in terms of what we have. So if you'll notice, right, many of these questions here, so if I hit go ahead and join the game, so I'll just put Grok, right? But if you got it, Oh, someone already used my name. Dirty cheats. So if you'll notice, when you start the review game, the first one is about the Great Purge and Stalin being responsible for that, right? So as I said, if you go through this, these questions basically cover what we have in terms of the questions here. So if I toggle back from this to the test, you'll see, right, the same question. So that's why I said, make sure that you play this and take some notes on this as well in terms of doing very, very well. So I think you'll do extremely well on that. But that is the only thing that you have to do between now and Monday at 3:15. The other thing that you want to be aware of is if we look at the assignments that started showing up, these two video reviews through GoFormative, they're still available until next Friday. So everything that we have done, from showing that you can log into Formative, to the February Revolution, to the 3 sections on the Russian Revolution on TCI, and all of these assignments right here are still available. You also are able to turn in the syllabus and the 10th test. One of the interesting things, and I believe in this class, well, total out of 2 sections, 40 of 32 have turned that in. So the one thing that you want to make sure that you do is those tests generally are worth more points than any of the assignments. And so I can tell you right now, in terms of the 10th test, the last unit test we took, who I see as having taken that. Now I updated this morning, so if you did it earlier. So Jazz, Miranda, Hector, Herbo, Eva, Tucker, Colin, Jacob, Maritza, Ronnie, Adrian, Luke, Victor, Aiden, Gianna, Natali, Tal, Kaviki, I all show you has turned that in. Everybody else, I didn't see a submission as of this morning, and that's still open. So if you haven't had a chance to do that, that's okay, but you have the same thing. This 10th unit test over the Russian Revolution and Stalin is still open until Friday at 3:15, next Friday at 3:15 as well. And you can see that was 25 points. This here, the syllabus, I think for the most part, I've gotten from everybody, unless there was 1 or 2 that could not get into GoFormative because I had to reset that. But let me see, yeah, so Angel, Dario, Michael, you can still turn that in, the syllabus. Everybody else I've got, and you got the extra credit for that. So I just want to make sure that you're aware that those are still open. So in terms of any issues that you may have had or something that was going on and you didn't remember to turn that back in, those are still available to you. Any questions or concerns on that? Okay, so like I said, I would, as I said, if you notice, right, you go through here, right, and look at these questions. Blank rose to power by having potential enemies labeled traitors and executed, right? We know that was Stalin. And then if you go here, right, in the next test or the next question, you can see ruler of the Soviet Union. It's worded a little bit different, right, from 29 to 53, but we still know that that was Stalin. Lenin was dead by this time period. Trotsky's murdered by Stalin, and Gorbachev is leader of the Soviet Union in the late 80s, early 90s when Ronald Reagan and George H.W. Bush were president. So like I said, focus on that review game because it'll be very helpful to you in terms of what we have going on with these. And then all of these things here that you may not have finished are still available. Questions or concerns? Okay, so if you are having trouble getting into formative, what happens is that the fall semester World History A has a different course section number than World History B, and to be able to transfer your grades with your student ID number, that's why I had to make a new one. So a couple of people had reached out last night, hey, you kicked me out of Go Formative, I can't turn in my assignments. No, that's not the case. The case is that they changed the section number because it's a new semester. So if you're having trouble getting into formative, stay on, because I've been able to get everybody in, and we can get you set up with that. I would focus on the review game. And then if you are one of the ones I have not seen submit test 10, do that as well, but you'll have the rest of this period to submit test 11, and you should be set for the grades that'll come out next Monday. All right? So if you have questions or concerns, stick around. If you need help getting into formative, stick here. I can have you share your screen. I'll get you in. Other than that, we'll see you Monday.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Take care.
You have a good day, Mr. Grock.
Thank you. You too.
Mr. Greg,
Yes, sir.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Can we take the quiz 11?
The test 11?
Yeah, the test 11.
Yeah. Okay. So what'll happen is I'll look at your score right now, but write down your score so that we make sure that you get the better of the two. I will have to reset your test, and it'll erase that information, but then you'll be able to retake it.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can do the review game first before you retake it. So you'll still have the same normal testing window everybody else will. So don't feel rushed that you have to rush through that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks.
Take care, sir.
You too.
Thank you.
I just wanted to let you know that I did one of the tests.
Okay. Which one?
I think it was like 15 points.
Let's see what we got here. Okay, so test 10. Yeah, and like I said, I did it first thing this morning. So if you submitted it.
I think because there was like two options to go back or exit. I think I went like back or something. So I don't know if you got it, but I did the test though.
Okay, hold on. So let me see. I can look right now. Okay, so that would have been 10.
So I did the
Yeah.
Mao video review questions. I did that one.
Yeah, okay, so it's not showing that you submitted. So let's see how far you got. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. 10. Well, now it's not showing. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing.
It still shows the answers for me, but I don't know if there's like oh, there's a submit button.
Yeah, try the submit button. Hit
Just
submit.
log out or exit submit assignment.
Yeah, submit. Make sure you submit. Okay, and now I can go in and see what it says. Hold on just a second. So I need to go to test results. Okay, so then here, share your screen with me so I can see.
Okay. It says that.
Oh, okay, is that the one you just submitted?
Yeah. Well, I did that one like on Wednesday, and it didn't. I pressed exit assignment, I think.
Oh, okay, so hold on. I was looking at the wrong thing. No wonder I couldn't see you. Okay, so that's the MAL one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, that grade was updated on the 16th. And then what about the Stalin one? Have you done the Stalin one?
The one before this.
Yeah.
Let me check. This one? No, I didn't do that one.
The second one up. Yeah, that one right there.
I don't think I did it. Oh, I was starting to do it.
Okay, yeah. So no, that's still open till next Friday. And then you also, okay, so go back to your Canvas one. I want to make sure you can see this. Go to your assignments.
Oh.
Okay, and then if you go down to past assignments, click on that first one that says Unit 10 test.
Oh yeah, I didn't do that one, I think.
Okay, so don't start it yet until you're ready to take it. That's the one I was looking at. I was like, I haven't even seen you log in, so.
Oh yeah, because I didn't know the password or anything.
Yeah, so it's your 6-digit password, your 6-digit student ID number, sorry.
Okay.
And then your tablet password is your password. Yep, save the password. And then there should be a blue box that says, okay, so that one says no go. Okay, so exit out of that. Exit out of that tab. Okay, and then in a new tab, type rigetti.us. Okay, and then scroll down the left-hand side, all the way down to the bottom. See where it says SMJUHSD resources up a little bit on the left?
Right here?
Yeah, go to staff resources. Go down to that stars student with the yellow up a little bit. To the right there. And then log in the same way. So username is your 6-digit code. And then your password, your tablet password. And then go to take assessments, and there should be 2 for me there. Okay, so that's probably unit 10, right?
Oops. Okay.
No, that's unit 11. Okay. So go ahead and exit. I don't know what happened to unit 10. I'll fix that. For some reason it's not showing for people. So go ahead and exit that, and I'll reset that, and you can take that when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll fix that.
I think that's everything. And I need to do the other test.
Okay, yeah, and that was the one that's not showing, so I've got to get that showing somehow.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You'll be set.
Thank you.
You bet. Take care.
You too. Bye. Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye, you too.